Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. So we're watching this key 4-hour trend line today. Let's look at the daily real quick first. So inside bar, clearly, very low volume. Rotation zone on the on the daily is completely flat. That's why we're watching the 4-hour. We talked about these two trend lines. Again, if you want to know how we draw trend lines, you can search. There's, I think, 3-part series on YouTube that outlines how we do it and how we come up with our defining and initiating points. This one, we were watching for a close below it. We dipped slightly below it there, dipped below it here slightly, and then closed pretty much on it. So that is not a close below it. We may get a redraw tomorrow if it rallies at all, so keep that in mind. And again, if you know how to do our trend lines, you'll know how we do redraws. But for right now, it's still a close below the trend line, and I'm just going to start watching some of this key lows because there's a lot of buyers in here. There's a lot of buyers in here. So to fully confirm this, we're going to be watching for a close below that trend line and preferably below 716.11. On a rally, still overhead resistance coming in about 775. Right in here we have that little cluster and the trend line all converging. So 775 to maybe 780 is key resistance. A close above the upper trend line keeps us in at least slightly bullish, neutral to slightly bullish. Rotation zone is against us on the 4-hour. It's I shouldn't say against us because we're neither bullish or bearish. We're just trading the patterns. It is to the bearish side, and neutral on the daily. So a close above the trend line would take us into neutral to slightly ever so slightly bullish. A close below the trend line would be neutral to bearish mode. Let's go back to that daily chart. Daily chart. So again, you can see how the rotation zone is flat. And if we do break down on a bigger sell-off, 653 is the major support level coming in with the 50-day exponential moving average. If we continue to rally, 819, remember, is the next major area we're watching to the upside. And then just in case something shocking happened, 861 to 869. And to the downside, we'd be watching 611. So those are all the key levels you have to know for tomorrow. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.